Well, that is my trip to work on the Magicycle Cruiser. This is the Midnight Blue Magicycle Cruiser, electric or e-bike as they are commonly called. Had this thing for a little over a month now. I guess it's been closer to 6 weeks, and I have driven it 188 miles so far. So I have gotten plenty of experience driving this back and forth to work, and it has been awesome, actually. I've loved this bike, and so it has been quite enjoyable to have this bike on any nice day in the summertime. So today it actually just started raining a little bit just when I got home, but even in a light rain, it's not a bad ride. But most of the nice days, I just check the weather, and if it's going to be nice, I'll take the bike in. Saves gas, and it's just a nice ride. It's nice to be out in the open air in the morning. There's lots of animals running around on the way in. I'll see turkeys and sandhill cranes and deer and turtles. I've seen all kinds of things just kind of cruising into work on the dirt roads and the paved roads. So my trek to work is about 7 miles, and on this bike it handles that and back with on one charge with no problem. So I can get there and back, and I still have about 25 to 35% left, just depending on how I rode the bike. So this particular bike does max out at 900 watts, and it is a 52 volt bike. It has a good amount of power. So you'll see, I don't know if you can see from some of the shots there, but there's some pretty decent hills, and I'm riding on rough dirt roads, a lot of washboard roads, a lot of, up and down hills and stuff like that, and it handles it just fine. That is with me pedaling zero. I don't pedal at all. There is a pedal assist. This is considered a pedal assist, so I could pedal, to help it up the hill, to go faster or whatever. 90% of the time, I just hold the throttle down at max and let it pull me up and down the hills. I don't have a problem with that at all. I'd rather do that than pedal. If I want exercise, I can go split some wood. I've got plenty of other things to do to get exercise. So of course, if you want exercise, you could pedal as much as you wanted to, and then you can turn the pedal assist levels to different levels where it will help you a little bit or a lot, or you can just turn the throttle on the handle here, and it will just take you on your way. So I think that these things are going to kind of hit the market by storm. They've been around for a little while. The prices are definitely coming down. If you use the link in the description on this particular one from this company, I'm actually an affiliate with them, working with them, and they offer like a $100 or $200 discount, I think, if you use the link in the description. So that's pretty cool. You can get them even cheaper than they are listed on their site. So with gas prices right here, right now, 2022 in July, hovering between $5 and $5.34 a gallon, I'm actually saving a decent amount of money by taking this just back and forth to work. Wear and tear on vehicles, all that kind of stuff. If I have the bike, I have it available, take that in and come back with that, and it just saves a lot of money in the end. Obviously the bike does cost money, it's an investment, and but I have a feeling that I'll be using this for years to come. So my first 180 plus miles, almost to 200. I'll make it to 200 in the next couple days here, but I have had a great experience. I've had no issues with the bike. Nothing has broken. I haven't needed to maintain anything. I haven't needed to do anything. I have just pretty much gotten on, and hit the throttle and gone back and forth to work, and it's been pretty painless and pretty easy. So just a quick update. A lot of people were asking about this. They saw it in the background in a couple other videos, and I did a video about a month ago on it. So I wanted to give you guys an update on what I've thought of this thing so far. If you live anywhere, I would say within 10 miles of your place of business, or even within 15 to 20 miles of your place of business, you could make it there, charge it, and make it back without any gasoline and really without any cost. I mean, charging this thing costs pennies. It's so little. The battery just doesn't take much to charge. It doesn't cost a lot. We charge it sometimes with solar panels. Sometimes I just charge it in the garage, and sometimes I'll charge it at the office when I'm there, or I'll just take it there and back on one charge since I'm under the mileage that it will go. So, but hopefully you guys enjoyed the update. If you guys are looking to buy one of these, whether it's this one or another one, of course I recommend this one. It's the only one I have experience with. If you have an e-bike and you have had a good or bad experience with it, share that in the comments so that other people can check it out. I'd love to hear from you guys. If you have this one or another model, I'd love to hear your thoughts on it as well. So look forward to hearing from you guys. Don't forget to hit thumbs up on today's video. And as always, guys, thanks for watching. Have a good one.